Hi, I'm Younes. I'm a Senior Associate Immigration Specialist at Winckworth Sherwood, and we're going to summarise the new immigration law changes for skilled workers from the 4th of April 2024. So, prior to the 4th of April, the rules were that if you're a skilled worker, you had the general salary threshold of $26,200 with discounts of 10 and 20% if you qualify for those. And then you had the going rate, which is the salary that you'd be paid for a certain type of occupation that you did. And for that, that would depend on the circumstances. And the discount for that will be 10, 20 or 30%. Since the 4th of April 2024, those have now changed, and we have a new general salary threshold of £38,700 with discounts of 10 and 20% for those. And we also have new going rates, so that's new salaries for the occupation codes, which are now known as the SOC 2020 as opposed to the previous SOC 2010, and that has also increased the salaries there too. So for those applying post 4th of April 2024 who have never held a skilled worker visa before, you need to be aware of the new general salary threshold and the new going rates. So before making an application, make sure you check to see that the occupation code you have is correct for you and that you are going to be paid a salary that is at or above the general salary threshold and the going rate for your role. Now, for those who already have a skilled worker visa or had a certificate of sponsorship that was issued prior to the 4th of April 2024, the rules have changed for you too, but not at the same levels for those who are applying anew. So what that means for you is that the general salary threshold in most cases has now increased to £29,000 with 10 or 20% discount still available. And we also have the new SOC codes, the 2020 codes are also applicable to you, but not at the same level as those who are applying anew from post-April 4th of April 2024. So what it means for you is that you need to check when you come to extending your visa or applying for a new one if your cost was issued before the 4th of April 2024, that you need to ensure that your code and salary level is at the right level for your occupation code and also the right level for general salary threshold. So, and they likely are going to be increases when you previously looked at it as well. So whether your visa is expiring 6 months or 2 or 3 years, it's still worth having a check to make sure that you're going to satisfy those new rules going forward too. Hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.